Hey folks, how you doing? Listen, I have enlisted my husband to show and demo the AstroAI TC4 Cordless air compressor. Listen, ever needed to quickly inflate your car, truck, or RV tire without waiting around? Well, this little powerhouse gets it done fast. This AstroAI TC4 air compressor is cordless. It's super powerful with a 470 watt motor and can inflate tires, bikes, balls, and even inflatables. It's got a digital display, 4 pressure units, and the battery can inflate up to 9 car tires on a single charge. Yeah, from 30 psi to 40 psi in seconds. And we love that we can take it anywhere, from the garage to camping or even on our road trips without being tied to a plug. It's built tough with a heat-resistant motor and metal cylinder. Plus, it has overheat and overpressure protections. The compact design stores neatly with all accessories, so nothing gets lost. If you want fast, reliable inflation wherever you go, this AstroAI TC4 is a must-have. Grab yours today.